Guys, just giving you a quick video on how to replace the cabin filter on a 2019-2021 Discovery Sport Land Rover. I'm quite used to doing the Range Rover Sports and the Vogues and that, where you can get at it from the glove box. But with these, so what you've got to do is this panel sits up there like that, tucked in, and they're held in with these, you see? So all you got to do is just get your fingers on each side. They'll be flush with the panel. Just get your fingers on each side and just tug them out. And once that comes out, the cabin filter is up here, there. So what you want to do is just pull these clips, this side, just that side, just pull it, and that this section releases, and that's just hooked on. So once that releases, pull it out, nice and easy, and the cabin filter is right there, as you can see, and that just pulls out. You can pull that out, and that's how you do the cabin filter on a Discovery Sport.